Okay, this is the piggy, and I'm going to show you a glitch that you can do in Conquest, but you have to capture all of the nodes. You get the little turret over there, and it's kind of a pain. You can do this in any game in Valix Lighthouse where there's a hovership. You can do it in a deathmatch, and it's great. Okay, so what you're going to do is come over here. You're going to push up against this little wall here, and you'll start sliding up a teeny tiny bit. And you just want to keep going, and then jump out, and then you wrench when you pop out, and you'll land in here. And then you do the same thing. It's kind of a pain without the little mines, which I don't have. But jump up here, and then you're up all here. And you can snipe people. See the base from over there. And you can see that guy. And then of course you can get over there, like all that. And then you can go up here. And up here. And you can see everything. Almost. You can see your home thing, and yeah, you can see anyone. It's great. Okay. Now, the next glitch also requires a hovership, which hasn't respawned yet, so I'm waiting on that. Okay, and Zito Burrow showed you this in a video, but he didn't show what you could do outside there. So you're gonna kind of go up and down. This is the biggest pain part of this glitch. And you're gonna come out like that. Oh, there we go. Okay. Now you're kind of outside the barrier, and you just kind of go up and down, pressing against that little wall there until you pop out. Okay. Now, if you want to find a place to land, these are hollow, except for a few little places. Okay, like for example, let me see if I can find it. See those little clusters of rock right there? You can jump out onto them like that, and then scope people. No, don't you do that. Okay, and then you can go onto others, I'm pretty sure. Ah, crap. Okay, well, you can hop onto those little rocks. Okay, so I got back out here, and okay, like I said, if you see any little rock clusters, you can land on them. It's kind of hard to jump from one to another, but if you just kind of get up next to it and jump on, it'll be fine. Okay, and then also let me see if I can, yeah. Shoot around, and if you find, sometimes you can find hard spots, and it's pretty awesome. So there aren't many over here. Let's see. Aha. and then not many places to land, but if you can find them, then it's pretty cool. Oh, here's some. Oh, it's not letting me go down. Okay, so there we go. And then if you have your sniper rifle, you can shoot out there at people. I'm gonna try switching rocks again. Ah, there we go. You gotta land right on them and wrench. And you can get a little closer. You can get anyone from out here. It's pretty crazy. Yep. So that's pretty awesome right there. And I would show you some more spots if you hadn't taken them, but if you hadn't dropped the ship, but just look for little places like these. It's pretty easy. I don't think there's really a way for you to get back, but yeah, unless you die. Okay, well, I think that's all I have time for right now. So I will see you